One is in the boxes of boxes right there. Now we open this.
Okay, are you ready?
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's open the window. Magic pill. Oh. Whoa. Open it up. Wow! Money, so money. Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Wow! What is this? Kongsi, kongsi.
Kongsi, kongsi.
Yes, kongsi, kongsi, kongsi. What's the worst?
Ready? Are you ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Pull it up, pull it up.
Yay! What is that?
Mama! Whoop! Yes. Okay, need more.
The first one is candy. Let's open this.
Okay, okay. Let's go. Wow, look at that. Woohoo!
Oh, mustard.
And the first mustard.
And candy.
Yay! Wow! Look at
Okay,
that.
so many candy. Yum. Let's open this. Wow. Look at the pattern. See? So cute. It's for the It's a vegetable crackers. You wanna try? You wanna try? Yes.
So yummy!
Okay.
Jelly! Oh, right. Yes. Rasa ini kan?
Mango.
Mango versus
Oh. Ini cak. And we got some traditional crackers. Okay.
Flavor.
Is it yummy? Yes. You like it? It's the original flavor. Okay. What is that? This is the potato chips.
Paper rice.
Purple rice crackers. Seafood cracker. We got some seafood cracker.
What is this?
Tomato. You wanna try it?
Now I want this.
Corn chips. This is the corn chips from Walmart. You wanna try? No, just put it here. Just put it here.
Okay.
This is the original cracker flavor. Okay.
I want to try.
Yeah.
Popcorn chips. Here, mommy.
Some healthy nuts.
Yes, I know it.
Black sesame milk candy.
Oh, it's an apple
Looks
bar.
good. Next, what is that? QQ green apple candy. It's gummy candy.
Candy lollipop.
Yakult pudding. Looks good.
It's good. I want to try.
Okay.
Daddy, mommy try. I'll try.
Wow.
Yuck, milk.
Okay.
Mm.
What flavor is that?
This is milk.
Milk?
Yes, there's some milk right there.
It's not
Yakult.
Yakult is Yakult?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You like it?
Mm.
Nice.
Nice.
Cheese, cornet, like sausage. It's a waffle. Orange waffle from wantwant. It's a crunchy nuts with seaweed.
I want to eat car.
You want to eat?
Mm-hmm. Look at that! And it's not good.
Hmm?
Not good.
Not good?
Yeah.
Really? You try it first. You try it first.
Chocolate.
No, it's seaweed.
Oh, they get a ball.
Yes, it's like a bowl.
Yum.
Huh? There's a nut inside. Try it. Just try it. Okay.
I don't.
Don't put it back.
No,
You don't like it? Oh,
chicken, the fried chicken.
fried chicken?
Yes, chicken. This is chicken.
Huh? It's a biscuit milk.
Again.
Different kind of nuts.
Berry milk.
Strawberry milk. It's candy.
Ketchup is weird.
Oh, yes. It's candy. It's red bean candy.
There's a milk. Look, right there.
It's a milk chunks. Looks good.
What is this fry? I want to try. Here.
You see, the chunks is like this.
Yum!
Mmm. Good.
Pineapple carrot.
Pineapple juice. It's pineapple jelly.
I want to try. This is yum. Pineapple. Yum.
Another jelly drinks.
What is this? Try or let me try.
It's a great flavor.
Grape?
Okay, with some coconut jelly. It's a bear chocolate biscuit egg roll.
Egg roll.
Yes, it's egg roll.
One more.
Last two.
On my teacher.
Okay, let me see, let me see, let me see. It's a traditional square biscuit.
Strawberry.
Yes, it's jelly. Strawberry jelly. Yay!
Strawberry. Yay! Mami, sama-sama po. Ya, Mami. Ito na pa. Oh, some water. Let's water. Hello, guys. Yes, we have so many stars.
What's your favorite? What's your favorite? Austin paling suka apa? Yang mana?
Yang semuanya.
You like them all?
Yes. I like it. All the fruit. I like it. All the fruit. Thank you, Mommy. I like it. All the fruit. Now.
Okay, say goodbye to everybody.